Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
My name is Sindhusha from the Department of the EC. I am here by saying about the natural calamities. Natural calamities means the natural disasters. Disasters. A disaster. A disaster is a natural or the man-made event which greatly affects the human race industries, which also permanently affects the ecosystems, human societies, and also the environments. This was a picture of flooding. Next, one of the natural calamities are thunderstorm. The thunderstorm is a small, intense weather systems that make strong winds, heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. It will happen anywhere with the two conditions. The air near the earth must be moist and warm. Next, the atmosphere must be unstable. Next, the main meaning of the thunderstorm is 1,000 volts hit the earth every second. That was the main meaning of the thunderstorm. Some of the benefits of the thunderstorm are it was like a natural air conditioner, and the rainfall from the thunderstorm cleans the pollutants present in the atmosphere. When the rain falls on the soil, it gives the nitrogen as one of the fertilizer to the soil. Next, without the thunderstorm, the atmosphere of the earth is like 24 and it's warm. So, thunderstorm must necessary for the earth. This was a picture of thunderstorm with thunder effect. That means lightning.
Show the picture with your point.
It was a lightning effect on the total agricultural part. Next, cyclones. According to the meteorology, cyclone is an area of the closest circular fluid motion rotating as the same direction of the earth. There are also the advantages of the cyclones. It cleans the atmospheres and also it breaks the branches of the long trees and allows the sunlight to fall on the young plants, so that the young plants will prepare their food with the help of the sunlight. This was the main advantage of the cyclone. Next, coming to the disadvantages of the cyclone, we all know from childhood. It affects the human race and the properties of the human race and also the industries. It causes a lot of skin diseases also. And the agriculture part was 90% damaged by the cyclones. Next, the example of the cyclone is Hudud. It actually originated from the lower pressure system that formed under the influence of an upper air cyclonic circulation in the Andaman Sea. It causes economically loss of 21,906 crores. It was started in October 6th and it gives a great storm in October 9th. It was one of the natural calamities. Thank you. Any queries?
Give the microphone. Why only Priyanka? What about the others? Open. Switch on. Switch on, Priyanka.
Sindhu, you said cyclones are prepared food. How?
What?
One of the you said no. Example. Cyclone useful what?
Advantages of cyclone.
Yeah.
I said that it breaks the large branches of the tall trees and allows the sunlight to fall on the young plants, so that young plants will prepare their own food with the help of the sunlight.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Any other? Any queries? Ask.
Any queries?
No.